What's up, everybody? It's your boy Romel here with my beautiful black man, Malcolm. Today we are getting started on this nice S13 240SX. But first thing we gotta do is we gotta clean this bitch up.
Clean the fuck out of it.
Oh yeah. Should we show them?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, fuck it. I'll show you guys. So, like every other 240SX, it always got to come nasty as fuck. You know what I mean? You got the squirrel shit, but it's all good. It smelled good in here because we got an air freshener in here. You know what I mean? It smelled good. Rat shit and air freshener. The little harness, no?
Yeah. Fucking hella rat shit, bro.
How long do you think this car was sitting out?
I don't know. I checked the registration said that they were trying to work on it. I'm not trying to work on it, but they were last trying to do something like in 2014. So it probably hasn't been time to start moving.
More than 7 years.
Yeah. It's filthy in here.
Filthy. Where's that from? Filthy.
Fucking know.
Custom Grow.
Where?
Custom Grow 420. Oh my god, this shit's not even bolted up, fool. Nothing that a zip tie can't fix, huh?
It makes it easier for us though.
Bro, you got some hella goodies. You got some fucking tape.
Wow, some tape.
Hmm.
Hey, look. We got a free fan.
Fuck yeah. Cause we ain't running no AC in this bitch either. Is that Shami was there too? Or is that yours?
Nah, this Shami's been in here. It's still good too.
It was all moldy and
I'm gonna wash the car with these guys. It actually doesn't look that bad.
No, it don't. I need to see you wash it.
It honestly smells like a Shami should.
Why'd you smell it?
You got a comb for your ulmut.
Bro, that's your comb for your waves.
Okay.
You know what? The headliner?
Goodies?
Oh, we got the iPod? Anything is still work?
I doubt it.
I don't have the charger for it, so.
Oh, crushed up. My brother does actually.
Imagine like what it has on that playlist.
Okay. Got the wax pin charger.
Yes, sir. It's dizzy. And you know what? The headliner is like really nice, though. Honestly.
So guys, this is what the 240 looks like as of right now. Taking out all the parts, taking out the seats. Car's pretty filthy. Whole bunch of squirrel shit everywhere. The seats, honestly, they weren't too bad. Besides the driver's seat, you know, I had no more wear and tear, but the back seats, the passenger seats, it honestly wasn't that bad. But crack dash, we're gonna have to do something about this for sure. Alright, this is the car after it's washed. Don't worry about the engine bay. I haven't really taken care of that yet or messed with anything. But inside cleaned up pretty good. Took out the seats, vacuumed and everything. I don't think the front seats are gonna be in here once I actually get it going. But I took out the shifter because we're gonna do a five-speed swap. And probably gonna get a new dash. But the miles on this thing. See if I get it to focus. Whoever had the car previous was beating on it bad.
At least the body's straight.
Yeah, at least the body's straight. Not too bad. Just a couple dings and no really big dents for the most part, as you can see. Look. Don't mind the birds. They're probably talking shit about it. This is gonna be the biggest thing to do with. I need to get this out because I know I'm gonna do a battery relocation in the trunk, and I want to get rid of this spot because I know it's gonna start rusting here. I mean, as you can already tell, it's starting to rust somewhat. It's just surface rust. I know it's not too bad of rust, but she has potential. She for sure has potential.